Hi my friends, welcome to the Buildabizonline YouTube channel. This channel is full of videos that can help you build your business online. There are a certain amount that you can download and put onto your splash pages, your programs pages, your capture pages, anywhere you wish. And similar to this is an introductory video. This young lady is introducing people to Buildabizonline. Okay, now we're always creating new intro videos for you to use, and this is the place to find them. Now, what you must do, you must subscribe and you must hit this bell, okay, and then click all. That way you will get a notification that I have uploaded a video that you could possibly use in your affiliate marketing business. We add tutorial videos as well. So this is the place to come to. We've got quite a few videos. And then what I would like you to do, if you was to click on, say, this video just here, underneath, let me just move this across. If you then can, if you like it, I'd like you to click like. If you don't like it, I would like you to click I don't like it. And then you could actually add a comment by clicking just here. And you can see other people as well that have left messages as well. So there we have it. That is how to subscribe to the channel. So very informative site. So I'd love you to subscribe and do that right now. So thanks for listening. Go watch your video.